Make a great choice today with the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rear sonar system, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, splash guards, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.